Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your odometer reading is visible on the multi-information display. If it's not, simply press the disp button on your dashboard until the odometer appears. This ensures you are in the correct menu to begin the reset process. Once the odometer is showing, press and hold the disp button for several seconds. You'll notice the display cycle through trip A and then trip B. Keep holding that button down. It's important to maintain continuous pressure. You'll know you're on the right track when the display eventually shows 5 dashes, indicating you've entered the maintenance reset mode. After the 5 dashes appear, you can release the disp button. The dashes will then transform into zeros, which confirms that the maintenance light has been successfully reset. To finalize the process, turn off your ignition completely. Then, restart your engine. The maintenance light should now be off, and you're all set for your next service interval. Now, double-check your dashboard to ensure the maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you've successfully reset it. Remember, consistent vehicle maintenance is crucial for your car's longevity and performance. It helps prevent unexpected problems down the road. Also, for other great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.